welcome to school.
I will fire your leg if you don't keep quiet. I will not do.
I'm not a Yahoo boy now.
See this idiot. This Yahoo boy.
And you say you are not a Yahoo boy.
I'm not a Yahoo boy.
He's a criminal, guy. He's a criminal.
No problem. Take off his shirt.
What?
Remove your shirt.
Take off your shirt, idiot. Remove your
Go
shirt.
inside the cell now, straight.
I'm
Remove
not
it.
a Yahoo boy now.
Give me that towel. Give me the towel.
Come on, the phone.
What is that phone? Is that your phone? Give it to me.
I'm not a
Where's your
Yahoo.
palm? Where's your palm?
I'm not a Yahoo
You are
boy.
idiot.
I'm not a Yahoo boy.
Come, that is where you die. I want to give you self-contained here now, where you kill yourself by yourself. Come here.
But I'm not a Yahoo boy now.
Open it.
Is it a crime to wear?
When you get to court, you will know if you are a Yahoo boy or not. Idiot. Come on, move inside here.
Is it a crime to wear fine clothes?
Idiot. Animal.
Anybody that help me?
What?
How are you? How long have you been here?
I've been here for 3 days. 3 days.
You know you can be prosecuted. Two of us will stay here together.
Eh? Me, I don't want to stay here.
I will stay here with you, son.
How is everything?
You are welcome.
How is everything?
We got our station.
Yes, I can see it. Katakata police.
Yes,
People
Katakata
are
police
doing very
station.
well. Please, I heard you. That's my nephew. I heard you people arrested him.
Your nephew?
Yes.
This arm robber.
He's a good boy.
This one is a criminal.
I just want to. You know, students of nowadays, they are very stubborn. I just want to bail him. Let him come.
Uncle, don't bail me. I don't need your bailing. Please.
I just want to go.
Uncle, I don't want to go. I am okay where I am.
Young lady, what are you doing here?
They arrested me since day before yesterday.
Shut up, your man. This is an ashawo.
Since my nephew doesn't want me to bail him, let me bail the young lady. Let me bail the young lady.
Uncle, leave us alone. No. Who beg you? Who beg you?
You don't want to go. Let me go.
Please stop. I don't want to go.
Let me.
Please don't please.
No problem.
Hey, start it as but for two of them.
Oh yeah, idiot. Come outside. Come outside.
Let him stay here. He likes this
Come
place.
Stay here. If you move, where are you going?
If I want to come out, Uncle.
Stand here.
You know he likes.
Emmanuel, you tell me the truth.
How can you people hold this kind of? How can you?
Okay, Chief.
Yes.
This is dollars.
Yes. She is worth the dollars.
This is the dollars.
Yes. Come.
Okay.
Why are you taking the girl now?
Your mother will come for you later. Hey.
School to